In the world of final product production, precision, repeatability, and consistency are key for success when scaling into production volumes. This is what the H350 3D printer powered by SAF technology achieves for production-grade parts. Not just across each print, but build after build across different printers and locations, allowing customers to trust in the process. The foundation of SAF technology's unparalleled accuracy and repeatability lies in its unique time-temperature consistency across the bed and its best-in-class thermal closed-loop control. An important element of fusing particles together relies on temperature and time of fusion. SAF is unique in that the temperature and time for fusing particles is consistent at all points across the bed. To further reinforce consistency, SAF is equipped with a best-in-class thermal closed-loop control. At an impressive 300,000 pixels, SAF's high-resolution thermal camera offers up to 100 times higher pixel density than comparable printhead-based powder bed fusion technologies. This remarkable level of detail allows for highly accurate temperature measurements during the printing process. To ensure that the thermal camera's lens is clean, the H350 features the innovative Vortex Bell. This complex SAF-printed part shields the camera, preventing any smoke and particles from interfering with a lens quality. With uninterrupted vision, the high-resolution thermal camera captures every critical detail at a remarkable 30 frames per second. But precision isn't limited to just capturing data. It also leads to efficient thermal control. The H350's patented optimized heating system configuration is designed using state-of-the-art AI techniques. The heating system infinite loop design and its unique mesh configuration optimize thermal control of the powder bed, resulting in enhanced efficiency and stability throughout the printing process. As a result, thanks to the SAF improved accuracy and consistency, customers can now trust in the process. Scale your production volumes with the H350 and SAF technology, leading your business into the future of additive manufacturing.